In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Word text formatting strategies for visual appeal, efficiency, and structural integrity. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. We'll start by building on the most important habit: use styles instead of manual formatting. Rather than clicking bold, italic, or underline on individual lines, apply a style like heading 1 or normal from the Styles gallery on the Home tab. The payoff is huge. If you decide that all main headings should switch from blue to green, or change font and size, you only modify the heading 1 style once, and every heading updates instantly. Styles also unlock automation features, such as creating a table of contents and navigating your document quickly with the navigation pane. Think of styles as your document's design rules, applied consistently every time. Next, elevate consistency with themes. A theme controls the overall color palette and font pairing across the entire document. If you're working with brand guidelines, choose the approved theme to align your colors and typography in one click. Want to try a different look? Go to the Design tab and select a new theme. Any colors that came from the original theme palette will update automatically, giving you fast, coordinated experimentation without manual edits. Now, let's lean on Word's smart formatting tools. The Format Painter, found on the Home tab, copies formatting from one selection to another. Double-click it to lock it on, then apply that formatting to multiple areas before pressing Escape to turn it off. Save time with autocorrect and quick parts. Convert shortcuts into full phrases with consistent formatting, or store reusable blocks like logos, tables, and frequently used paragraphs for one-click insertion. And when pasting from the web or other files, use Ctrl+Shift+V to paste as plain text so the content inherits the style of your destination paragraph, avoiding mismatched fonts and colors. To improve readability and layout, avoid pressing Enter repeatedly to create space. Instead, control vertical rhythm with paragraph spacing in the Layout tab by adjusting spacing before and after. For lists, use Word's built-in bullets and numbering so indentation and hierarchy stay clean and consistent, especially as you edit. Finally, take advantage of hidden formatting for internal notes. Open the font dialog and mark selected text as hidden. It won't print, and you can choose to show or hide it on screen in Word options under Display. This is perfect for reminders, reviewer cues, or conditional details that shouldn't appear in the final output. Adopt these tools, and your documents will be faster to build, easier to update, and more professional every time. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.